on the track.
Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of 31 Days of Beauty, where I'm pretty much bringing you guys a different makeup look using a different makeup palette. And I'm trying to really do palettes that I haven't used at all in my collection. So either they're not new, but they're new to me because I haven't used them in my collection. So today is one of those shenanigans. So today I am using the Colourpop. This is the Lush palette. Look at this, it's so pretty. I don't know why I've never used it whatsoever. And then the color story is just absolutely tropical, just so amazing. So we are doing a colorful look per usual, okay, like no other. So I really kind of sort of have a look in mind that I want to do. I really want to use this beautiful blue. I don't know what it is, but it's something about this blue is grabbing my attention. So let's go ahead and zoom in and get right into this look. All right, so I have my eye base on that's kind of sort of creasing, but I'm just worried about the crease part, not so much about the lid, because I think I'm gonna do like a cut crease type of vibe. So anywho, like I said, this blue was definitely grabbing my attention, so that is going to be the first shade that I'm going to jump right into it. Yeah, we're going straight for the bold right away. So I'm going in with this beautiful matte blue. I'm just going to take my time, being that it's such a vibrant blue color. I'm going to take my time and add this in the crease area, and I'm going all the way across with this beautiful blue. Alright, this blue is so pretty. So now to blend this out, I am going to go in with this beautiful matte green color right here. And I am going to take a little of this because I really don't want to make this over dramatic. So I'm just going to take my time and add a little bit of that green shade just to help blend out this blue. And there's no added product onto this brush. I'm just going to go ahead and buff out that green shade really quick because it is alright. And then if I need to, which I am going to, it's pretty much just reapply some of the shades again, because I may have lost it like I did, you know, trying to reapply these shades. So I did a lousy cut crease. I think it's because I'm lacking sleep. Yes, you know, mother of 4 right now, and just the sleeping schedule is just not working with your girls. So I apologize if I'm a little sluggish and this is not my perfectionist that I like, but we're going to trust the process. So for the lid part, I want to put it in the center only. I am just looking at this beautiful green. Look at that. It's a very pretty metallic green. So I want to take this shade and I want to apply it a little bit. I want to apply a little bit of some setting spray on there. And I want to pop this right in the center of the eye. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. Very pretty metallic green. Alright, so now that I have this beautiful lime green on, I'm going to go back and figure out how I want to do it. I think I'm going to do like the peekaboo effect. So I want to go in with that dark green a little towards the outside of this beautiful lime green. I only want to do a little of that green though. Alright, and then we're going to close it out with this beautiful, deep, rich blue color. That's so pretty. I know it looks a hot mess right now because I got eyeshadow everywhere, but this is really pretty. So I'm going to clean this up and then do a quick liner, and then I'm going to do the rest of the face because you guys want to see that. And don't worry, I got a timestamp if you guys want to skip through the face routine and move along to the cheeks or the lips or whatever. But But go ahead and check the timestamp. I'll have that, make sure, in the description box. So I just did a quick shop my stash. I just picked up a couple of products that I felt like I haven't used or wanted to try out, blah 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 blah, stuff like that. Y'all know, since y'all want this face routine every tutorial, I told you guys that I do want to switch up and use different products that I haven't, you know, used in a while or just haven't used at all. So this is also giving me the opportunity to try different face products, face routines, and stuff like that. So today we're going to be using a new primer. I've had this for a while, never tried it before, but this is the e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. Now the only thing about this primer, I don't know, this is supposed to be mattifying, hydrating, whatsoever. It didn't say anything like that on the back. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on a moisturizer anyway, just in case, because my skin is very on the dry side right now. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydro Moisturizer. Moisturizer. I feel like that was a tongue twister right there. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. primer. Kind of feels like the Hydro Grip one. You know, it has like that sticky feel to it. Alright, and then for foundation today, since I'm using drugstore primers and stuff like that, I decided I want to go in with a drugstore foundation. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation, and this is in the shade 365. That's too much, girl. That's too much. Ooh, I didn't put too much. This is enough right here. Right here. Okay, so I gotta scoop the rest of this somehow up. Yes, too much. Okay, I'm grabbing a product that I haven't used in a while. This is the Colourpop. This is called the No Filter Concealers. I haven't used this in forever. I don't even know if this is my shade that I prefer. But this is in the shade Deep Dark number 50. I feel like this concealer is definitely more of a, has like a red tone to it. So this is definitely not my forte of concealer that I prefer, but we're trying different products, so why not? I'm trying to get my hairs out of my face. I wait for this to get a little bit tacky before I blend it out. Alright, I'm going to contour with my Fenty. Alright, I'm going to go in with a black pencil for my waterline. Then for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with that dark blue and simply just tap it on. And I'm definitely getting a lot of fallout from this eyeshadow, so I am going to have to reapply the concealer area, and then I can go in with my powders after. See, I know I don't really change up my face powders, so I'm just going to go in with my Beauty Bakerie first. And then for all over my face, I'm going to go in with my BLACKRADIANCE powder. And then I'm just going to dust the powders off. Alright, I'm going to contour with my JUVIAS Duo. I'm going to go in with this dark shade to contour, and then I'm going to blend it out with the shade. And then for blush, I'm going in with Colourpop. This one is called Fighting Crime, which is pretty pink. Pop it in the cheeky cheeks. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the lips. I'm going to go in with my NYX pencil, because y'all know I'm going in with a new lip. And then the lip color that I'm going to go in for today is called Lash. Alright, so I'm almost ready to close out this look. I'm going to add some gloss. I'm going to go in with this pretty pink nude gloss by Colourpop, and this is a lip plumper. I'm going to add a little bit of that to the lids. Alright, and then for the eyes, I want to top it with something in the inner. Let's see what we can put in the inner pop. For my inner pop, let's go in with this shade right here. It's a pretty metallic color. I feel like it's close to this matte green. So yeah, now I'll go in with a little bit of some glitter glue. I'm going to pop it right in the inner. Alright, and then I'm just taking that pretty dark green right on top of that glitter glue. So cute. I don't even have lashes on. I'm just like, I'm here for it, baby. I'm here for it. So I'm going to do lashes off camera because I suck on doing lashes, period. So I need to be super close and you guys won't be able to see anything that I'm doing. So I'm going to be trying out these lashes today. These are by ZOLA lashes. And these are in the style FLIRT is the name of these lashes. So I'm going to pop these on. Hopefully I like them. If not, then I'm going to switch them up. And then I'm going to apply a highlighter. Let me do that right now so I won't forget. I want to go in with this loose highlighter that I found in my drawer. This has been very handy, although it's only day 2, but it's been very handy on shopping my stash because I'm using products that I haven't used. As you guys can clearly see, I still have the seal on here. Never been used. But this was called the Purple Dream Diamond Glow Powder. So I don't even know what this is going to give, but it's going to give something. It's going to give something, okay? Someone don't know how to open things and it's got it everywhere. Okay, so clearly body must have, oh my gosh, I got a mess, y'all. What did I do wrong? Why is this not opening still? Oh, since I have this top off, let me show you guys how pretty this powder is. Look at this. I don't know if y'all are able to see the capture of the pink coral colors that's in this highlighter. Is this a highlighter? It's gonna be a highlighter today. I'm not sure, but we're gonna do a little tap of her on. Oh yeah, she has to be a highlighter. Is she? Yeah, I think she's giving mermaid vibes. She's giving mermaid vibes. Y'all got this powder everywhere. I am like, oh my gosh, it's all on my shirt. See what it's giving. Oh yeah, the whole vibe. Yeah, the whole mermaid vibe for sure. Oh baby, yes. When I tell y'all this highlighter is giving, it's definitely not as bright as I thought it would be. Like it kind of like sets like on the skin, which is still cute though. You can still see that pop real quick. Okay, so let me clean up and I'm gonna put these lashes on and then I'll be right back to show you guys the final look. This is really pretty though. Alright right, my love, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like and enjoy today's look. She's definitely bold, but definitely gorgeous. Yes, so the Colourpop, once again, you did an amazing job on this palette. Of course, I know it's kind of sort of old, you know, but she's definitely one to have in your collection, especially if you like into like summer bright colors, because this book I'm really loving that metallic green. Like, the camera's not doing anything when it comes to the eyeshadows being so bold and vibrant, especially in person. And this metallic, you can see the metallic, you can see that it's a different texture, and I really love when I play with mattes and metallics. Like, you can see the separation of the different textures of the eyeshadows. Like, that's what you want. You know, you want to see the little frosty shimmers, and if when it's a matte, you want it to be a matte eyeshadow, and it's giving me all of that, and I really am happy. Yes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. Everything that I did, everything that I used, I mentioned everything, but it will be listed down in the description box, so be sure you guys check that out as well. But anywho, this is it. I really like it. If you guys want to see what palette I'm going to use tomorrow, like always, definitely check out my Instagram. Follow your girl on Instagram and on Snapchat. I brought my Snapchat back to life. Yes, shockingly, yes, I did. So if you guys want to get like a little sneak peek and see what palette I'm going to be actually using for tomorrow, definitely check out one of those social networks. If not, then just be surprised and come back tomorrow and you'll see what she is going to be bringing, because she gonna be another banger, and she's definitely new to the family, so I'm excited to try her out. So y'all stay tuned, okay? But anywho, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with my next 31 Days of Beauty. Yes, slay girl, slay. Yes.